Good morning, students. In the previous class, we completed that additions, subtractions and multiplications. Additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions. Today we are learning. Divisions. Today we are learning in this exercise. In this exercise, today's class, we are learning about how to do the division of irrational numbers. So let us start our class, today's one. So addition. How to do the addition means by taking LCM. By taking LCM, we have to do this additions. By taking LCM, we have to do this additions. Subtractions. By taking LCM, subtractions also compulsory we have to take LCM. Multiplications. What we have to do with multiplications means we have to take cancellation, then by cancellation, then numerator and denominator. And the last one is divisions. What is divisions means? By reciprocal. By reciprocal. Already this word reciprocal you learned and listened in 4th class, 5th class and 6th class. Now in the 7th class also we are learning about the reciprocals here. What is called reciprocal means reverse. What is that one you will see? LCM 1 by 5 plus 3 by 7. So taking off LCM of 5 and 2 we had to solve this one. So here is 2 by 5 plus 7 by 9. 5 comma 9 LCM. 5 comma 9 LCM. Here is 5 comma 7 LCM. But coming to the sum, 3 by 9 into 13 by 9 into 18 by 26. Like this is given means here don't take LCM. We are doing cancellation. What is left here? We are writing that ones. 1 ones are 1. 1 ones are 1 by 1. We are writing like that. Reciprocal means in divisions 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. This is the given question for us to do. Like normal sum, we should not do the division. What we have to do means reciprocal we have to take. So taking off reciprocal 1 by 2 into which fraction will become reciprocal means immediately the fraction which is given after the division sign it will only become reverse, that means reciprocal, not all the sum which is immediately after division sign, only that fraction will become reciprocal. So reciprocal of 3 by 4 is, that means reverse of the 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Now the sum, division sum is changed as multiplication sum. Now what is the rule of multiplication? First we have to do the cancellation. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So what is the numerator? After cancellation, numerator, denominator. So 1 ones are here, 1 into 2, 2, 1 threes are 3. The sum is over. This is the process of the fractions, decimal fraction, each and every chapter. In this fractions chapter also same like this only, and this rational number chapter also like this only, because rational number is nothing but called a fraction. A fraction is nothing but called a rational number. So according to that one we are doing that one. This is all the sums. Reciprocal means we are taking as that ones. Addition means LCM. Subtraction means LCM. Multiplication means cancellations. Afterwards numerator, denominator. Division means taking reciprocal, then cancellation and do that sums. Okay. Another one word is there for reciprocal. The new word we are learning here in this class. That means in the 6th class also you learned this word, but we did not use that word for to do that sums. In this 7th class we are using that word. What is that word means? previous class, I said about additive inverse. Additive inverse. Multiplicative inverse. We are having two things. Additive inverse means the additive inverse of 2 is minus 2. Opposite one. Inverse means opposite. The opposite of 2 is minus 2. Additive inverse of minus 4 is plus 4. Additive inverse of minus 4 is plus 4. That is called additive. Addition means opposite sign, either plus or minus. Multiplication opposite is, the multiplication inverse we are writing. Multiplication opposite is division. So division indicates reciprocal. Division indicates reciprocal. So according to this one, multiplicative inverse means nothing but called reciprocal. Now here 1 by 24. So here 13 by 24 is the given fraction for us. For this one, we have to write multiplicative inverse. What is the multiplicative inverse means? 24 by 13. Multiplicative inverse of 13 by 24 is 24 by 13. That means reverse. Reverse means reciprocal. Nothing but multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. So according to this one, we can do this as sums. So here multiplicative inverse means reciprocal of a rational number. Find the multiplicative inverse of a rational number given below. Here 1 to 10 sums are there. Out of 10 sums, I wrote here 1, 2, 3, 4. Example for 4 sums I did. Here solution. What we have to write for this sum? Inverse. That means taking off reciprocal, 6 by 25 will become as 25 by 6. Sum is odd. Next one is minus 8 by 9. Multiplicative inverse. First sign we have to write. Sign is minus. 8 by 9 will become as 9 by 8. The sum is also over. Solution. The given sum is 12. From this 12, what I have to write? Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of 12. So 12 means 12 by 1. It will become 1 by 12. So multiplicative inverse of 12 is 1 by 12. The last one is minus 7 by 9. Solution. According to the rational numbers, the denominator should not contain minus value. The minus value we have to give to the numerator. How to give to the numerator means by doing multiplication. So minus into minus is plus. I am doing that one. Minus into minus is plus. Plus 7 by 9. Minus into minus is plus 7 by 9. Multiplicative inverse. We are writing multiplicative inverse. What is the multiplicative inverse of 7 by 9? Is 9 by 7. This is the model of multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means nothing but reciprocal. Reciprocal means reverse. 6 by 25, reverse is 25 by 6. Here minus sign, you have to keep it at 1. 8 by 9 is 9 by 8. 12. 12 means 12 by 1 will be there. 12 by 1 will become 1 by 12. Here minus sign is in the denominator. Give it in the numerator. 7 by 9. So multiplicative inverse is 9 by 7. This is about the multiplicative inverse. So continuation of exercise 2f. In exercise 2f, evaluate 7 by 12 divided by minus 4 by 3. According to this sum, solution 7 by 12, writing only the question again, divided by minus 4 by 3. Now, what we have to do? Division. What is the rule of division in rational numbers? The rule of division in the rational numbers is taking off reciprocal. I am taking the reciprocal. That means 7 by 12 into, sign will not change, put that minus sign. 4 by 3 will become 3 by 4. 4 by 3 will become 3 by 4. I indicated little much biggest one because that it is reciprocal. Which is reciprocal? This 7 by 12 is smallest one I wrote. This 3 by 4 I wrote biggest one because of taking reciprocal. Which is reciprocal means 4 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 4. Cancellation in 3 table. 1 time, 4 times. Anything is there to do cancellation? No. Now writing off. First is sign. Plus into minus is minus, so I put that minus sign. Numerator is having 7 and 1. 7 into 1 is 7 by. Denominator is having 4 and 4. 4 4s are 16. The answer for this sum is minus 7 by 16. Taking off second sum, minus 27 by 32 divided by minus 9 by 16. We are doing division. Division means taking off reciprocal. So according to the reciprocal, minus 27 by 32 into the fraction form. Minus will not change. Put that minus sign. 9 by 16 will become as 16 by 9. 16 by 9. Now cancellation. 9 table 1 time, 27 3 times. 16 table 1 time, 32 is 2 times. Now sign. Minus into minus plus. 3 into numerator is having 3 and 1. 3 ones are 3. Denominator is having 2 and 1. 2 ones are 2. That will become as, changing to mixed fraction, 1 1 by 2. 1 1 by 2. This is the sum. Here we are having to do this like this division form. This minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3. We will take it as reciprocal. Answer is minus 7 by 16. Here minus 9 by 16. Reciprocal is 16 by 9. Which by 16 by 9? Minus 16 by 9. So minus in cancellation. 9 table 16 is 3 times. So write 3. 16 table 12 is 2 times. Write 2. Now what we have to do here? So after writing that once, 3 table 3 is 1 time. So write that 1. 3 and 2 table is 2. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 1 is 2. So my denominator here we change it to mixed fraction form. Why? Because this is given in the form of improper fraction. The improper fraction will become as a proper fraction. We have to change it as so like mixed fraction. Proper fraction means no need to change. Improper fraction means compulsory we have to change to a mixed fraction. So according to that one, 1 1 by 2. This is the sum here we are having. The next sum is, in the same sums, first sum is 1 by 25 divided by minus 5. I am writing the solution. 1 by 25 divided by minus 5 divided by minus 5. So here it is nothing that denominator, so put it as 1. Now division will not continue in that sum, so 1 by 25 into, division will change as into because of that division form we have to do in the rational numbers as with reciprocal by changing to into mark. So division will change as into, sign is same, 1 by 5. Any multiplications or cancellation, see once. There is no cancellation here. 5 and 25 should not cancel. Only up and down cancellation only there. So first sign minus. Numerator is having 1 ones are 1. 25 5. Denominator is having 25 5. 25 5s are 125. Therefore answer is minus 1 by 125. Minus 1 by 125. Like that only the last sum here. See that solution. I am writing the only the question. 26 divided by minus 1 by 13. 26 divided by minus 1 by 13. So this is 26 by 1 we are writing that once. So it is 26 only. It is 26 only. In this sum, minus 5 by 1 is changed as 1 by 5. Minus 5 by 1 changed as 1 by 5. In this question, this is 26 by 1 is not changing. 26 by 1 is as it is like 26 by 1 only. Why? Because only this 13 by will change it as. So it will become as minus 13 by 1. Minus 13 by 1. Already I said that on starting of this exercise. Reciprocal means which fraction is immediately after the division symbol, that only will make it reciprocal. The fraction which is immediately after the division symbol is this minus 1 by 13, not this 26. So 26 will not change. This minus 1 by 13 will change. Any cancellation, 13 and 26 will cancel in 13 table. But those two are in numerators only. Numerators will not cancel. Cancellation is always up and down. That means numerator and denominator. So we have to do that one multiplication. Minus 26 into 13. We are doing that one. 26 into 13. 26 into 13. 13 table. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are like that, multiply that once. 36 are 78. So write here 7 each. 13 twos 26. 26 plus 7, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Like that we have to add 26 plus 7 is 33. Now the answer is minus 338. Answer is 338. Which 338? Minus 338. Denominator is having 1. Therefore answer is minus 338. Minus 338. So this is about the division form. Here is the test. Now with this small sums are completed. We are doing that one statement sums. According to the completing that statement sums, we are doing now. The product of two numbers is minus 2 by 3. If one of the number is 16 by 39, find the other. This is the sum given, that fourth sum for us in the 2F exercise and continuation. So the product of two numbers is given. Shortly I am writing product of two numbers is equal to minus 2 by 3. First number is given. First number is equal to 16 by 39. Second number is x let. This is a given question. We have to find that second number. Now first number into second number, they did that multiplication, is equal to minus 2 by 3. First number into second number is equal to minus 2 by 3. What is the first number? 16 by 39 into x is equal to minus 2 by 3. 16 by 39 into x is equal to minus 2 by 3. According to that one sums here, this 39 is first denominator values you have to send to other side. So only we want x, this 39 we don't want. So 39 goes for multiplication. 16 into x is equal to minus 2 by 3 into 39. Minus 2 by 3 into 39. This denominator will go into multiplication. Now cancel. 13 ones are 13. 13, 3 table 13 times. Now this table is 16 into x is equal to minus 2 into 13. Here minus plus into minus is minus, 32s are 26. Now only we want the value of x. So x is equal to minus 26 by 16. There is cancellation in two table, 13 times, 8 times. Answer is minus 13 by 8. Answer is minus 13 by 8. Once again see, this is sum here. This is the sum given for us. The product of two numbers, it is given that once. So x is equal to minus 26. This by 16 will come as denominator. So taking that one. Once again see from the here onwards. Once again see from here onwards. So it will change as 13 table. This 39 goes to the numerator for multiplication. 32 is 26. Only we want x value. So minus 26 by 16. Now we have to take cancellation in two table. 13 times and 8 times. It left is minus 13 by 8. Minus 13 by 8. Therefore second number, that means other number is minus 13 by 8. They told to find the other number, we find that other number. Like in the previous exercise we did that one. Here that we kept that one. Addition means plus sign, minus means subtraction sign, and we did that once. But here division no, that's why you have to take it to other side and doing that sum. The cost of 17 pencils is rupees 59 rupees 1 by 2. That means 59 rupees 50 pice. Find the cost of each pencil. So solution. Cost of 17 pencils is equal to rupees 59 1 by 2. This is given in the form of mixed fraction. So we have to make it to the normal fraction. 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. 5 2s are 10 plus 1. That means here I am doing that one. 59 into 2. 9 2s are 18. 5 2s are 10. 1 1. Plus that 1. 119. So I am writing that one 119 by 2 rupees it is. It is changed as like that. Now what we have to do here means cost of each pencil. Each means how much? So according to that one, cost means 119 divided by 2 divided by 17. According to this one, why? Because each pencil means we have to do the division. Cost of 10 chocolates is 80 rupees. Cost of 1 chocolate means 8 rupees. How we got means 80 by 10 cancellation is 8 rupees. Like that only here I wrote 2. Now 119 by 2 into, here nothing is there means put 1. 1 by 17 according to the cancellation. So 17 table 119. 17 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. 7 ones are 1. 119. 17 table 1 time. 17 table 7 times. It is 7 by 2. Change it to mixed fraction. 3 1 by 2. 2 table 7 is 3 times 6 1. It is 3 1 by 2. Therefore, cost of each pencil is equal to rupees 3 1 by 2. Cost of each pencil is rupees 3 1 by 2. This is about the sums. Thank you for today.